The M16A4 is the fourth generation of the iconic M16 rifle series, used extensively by the U.S. military. Chambered in 5.56 by 45 mm NATO, it features a 20-inch barrel and a flat-top upper receiver with a Picatinny rail for mounting optics and accessories. Unlike its predecessor, the M16A2, the M16A4 includes modular rail systems, often paired with vertical grips, lights, and ACOG scopes. It operates on a direct impingement gas system and is selective fire, offering semi-automatic and 3-round burst modes, no full auto. The rifle is known for its accuracy, low recoil, and effective range up to 600 meters. Though gradually phased out in favor of the M4 carbine, the M16A4 remains in use among certain Marine units and Allied forces due to its reliability and range. In short, it's a precision rifle built for versatility, endurance, and battlefield effectiveness.